amis, bienvenue dans le tutorial of Français, you, me and friends. Joyeux Noël. Hello friends, welcome to French tutorial, you, me and friends, and Merry Christmas to all my dear friends, and you're learning French with me, Trupti. Here are the Christmas vibes, and we are celebrating Christmas all over the world, and now this is a beautiful atmosphere worldwide, and this is a time to learn some vocabulary and some simple sentence about Christmas. So isn't it learn with fun? It is. So let's start. Santa, le Père Noël. Santa, le Père Noël. The Christmas tree is le sapin de Noël. Le sapin de Noël. Repeat after me. It's le sapin de Noël. Then sled is le traîneau. Le traîneau. Le traîneau. Gifts. We all love gifts. Gifts, les cadeaux. Gifts, les cadeaux. Gifts, les cadeaux. Then celebration. Celebration is la fête. La fête. La fête. Easy one. Then Christmas carol. Christmas carol is le chant de Noël. Le chant de Noël. Le chant de Noël. Then we will take date, that is 25 December. 25 December actually. So it will be 25 décembre. 25 décembre. 25 décembre. Nous célébrons Noël le 25 décembre. Means we celebrate Christmas on 25 December. Nous célébrons Noël pour nous souvenir de la naissance de Jésus-Christ. Means we celebrate Christmas to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Nous décorons le sapin de Noël et la maison. Means we decorate Christmas tree and home. Nous attendons le Père Noël et les cadeaux. Means we wait for Santa and gifts. Nous célébrons Noël avec nos amis et notre famille. Means we celebrate Christmas with our family and friends. So friends, I hope you will like my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any comment, any doubt, please comment it down. And Merry Christmas to all my dear friends. May God bless you. And till next video, I will meet you so soon. Till then, au revoir, bisous bisous. Take care of yourself and your family. And in advance, Happy New Year. Au revoir.